Do you ever feel like you don't have enough time? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel like the hours slip away before you can catch up. Many people feel overwhelmed and rushed. The constant demands of work, family, and personal commitments can make it seem impossible to find a moment of peace. But there is a way to make the most of your time. By taking a step back and reassessing how you spend your day, you can find pockets of time that can be used more effectively. You can create a routine that works for you. Establishing a daily schedule that includes time for work, relaxation, and personal growth can transform your life. With a little planning, you can get more done and feel less stressed. Prioritizing tasks and setting realistic goals can help you stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. It's all about maximizing your day from sunrise to sunset. By being mindful of how you spend each hour, you can ensure that your time is used wisely. Imagine starting your day with intention and energy. Incorporating morning rituals like meditation, exercise, or a healthy breakfast can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Picture moving through your day with focus and purpose. Staying organized and maintaining a clear vision of your goals can help you navigate your tasks efficiently. Think about ending your day feeling relaxed and satisfied. Taking time to unwind and reflect on your accomplishments can bring a sense of fulfillment. This is all possible when you optimize your day. By making small adjustments to your routine, you can create a more balanced and enjoyable life. It's about creating a rhythm that allows you to accomplish your goals and enjoy your life. Finding a balance between work and leisure can lead to greater happiness and productivity. Let's explore how to make this happen. Together, we can discover strategies to help you make the most of every moment and live a more fulfilling life. The morning sets the tone for your entire day. A positive and productive morning routine can make a world of difference. Start your day by caring for your body and mind. Stretching when you wake up is a great way to get your blood flowing. It also helps you feel more alert and energized. Follow that up with a healthy and delicious breakfast. Fuel your body with nutrients to power through your morning. Don't forget to plan your day. Make a to-do list or review your calendar. This will help you stay organized and focused. Afternoons can be tough. Your energy may dip and it can be hard to stay focused, but you can fight that afternoon slump. Movement is key. Get up and move around, even if it's just for a few minutes. Take a walk outside or do some stretches. This will re-energize you and help you refocus. Pay attention to your diet. Avoid heavy meals that can make you feel sluggish. Instead, opt for light and energizing snacks. Fruits, vegetables, and nuts are all great choices. Section 4. Unwind and Recharge. In our fast-paced world, it's essential to carve out moments for ourselves to relax and rejuvenate. As your day winds down, it's time to shift gears and focus on relaxation. The transition from a busy day to a peaceful evening is crucial for your well-being. Give yourself time to unwind and recharge before bed. This period of relaxation can significantly impact the quality of your sleep and overall health. This will help you get a good night's sleep and prepare for a productive tomorrow. A restful night sets the tone for a successful day ahead. Start by dimming the lights. Lowering the brightness in your environment can help signal to your body that it's time to start slowing down. This signals to your body that it's time to start slowing down. Creating a serene atmosphere can make a significant difference in how quickly you can relax. Engage in calming activities that you enjoy. Whether it's yoga, knitting, or any other hobby, these activities can help you unwind. Reading, taking a bath, or simply enjoying a cup of tea can be incredibly soothing. These small rituals can make a big difference in your relaxation routine. Or listening to relaxing music are all great options. Reflect on your day. Music has a powerful effect on our emotions and can help us decompress. Jot down your thoughts in a journal. Writing can be a therapeutic way to process your day and clear your mind. Or simply think about what went well and what you could improve. Reflection is a key part of personal growth and can help you set intentions for the next day. This helps you learn from your experiences and grow. Taking time to unwind and recharge is not just a luxury, but a necessity for a balanced life. Section 5. Reflect and prepare for tomorrow. Before you drift off to sleep, take a few minutes to prepare for tomorrow. This simple habit can make a significant difference in how you start your day. By organizing your thoughts and tasks, you will help yourself start the day feeling calm and organized. A clear mind leads to a more productive morning. Choose your outfit for the next day. This small step can save you precious time in the morning. Lay out your clothes or pack your bag. Having everything ready to go will reduce the morning rush and help you feel more in control. This saves you time and stress in the morning. Imagine waking up knowing that everything is already set and ready for you. You can also review your to-do list or schedule. This will give you a clear idea of what needs to be done and help you prioritize your tasks. This will help you mentally prepare for the day ahead. Visualizing your day can make it easier to tackle your responsibilities with confidence. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. These conditions are essential for a restful night's sleep. These conditions promote restful sleep. A good environment can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. A good night's sleep is crucial for waking up feeling refreshed and energized. When you sleep well, you wake up ready to take on the day with enthusiasm and vigor. Remember, a well-prepared night leads to a successful morning. Take these steps to ensure you start your day on the right foot. Section 6, the power of routine. You've now seen how you can optimize your day from morning to night. But the key is consistency. When you create a routine and stick to it, you'll notice a significant difference in your productivity and well-being. Think of your routine as a gift to yourself. It's a way to prioritize your well-being and make the most of each day. Don't be afraid to adjust your routine as needed. Life is always changing, and your routine should be flexible enough to change with it. Listen to your body and adjust your routine to fit your needs. Section 7. Your journey to a fulfilling day. Remember, maximizing your day isn't about cramming in as much as possible. It's about creating a balanced and fulfilling day that leaves you feeling energized and accomplished. It's about making conscious choices that support your well-being. Start by implementing small changes gradually. Once you feel comfortable, you can add more elements to your routine. Celebrate your successes along the way. You're taking control of your time and creating a life you love. Embrace the power of routine and enjoy a more fulfilling and productive life.